L'Oréal Paris Glossing Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner Set with Glycolic Acid. Hair care for lasting shine and smoothness for dull, dry hair. EverPure, 1 kit. Hair care routine for color-treated hair. Glossing shampoo, conditioner and hair mask system. An at-home glossing service with glycolic acid. Delivers 8x smoother hair and up to 5 days of intense glass shine for shinier hair than the $82 glossing bundle. Hair care for dull, color-treated hair. Our hair care system with glossing shampoo, moisturizing conditioner, and nourishing shine mask instantly boosts hair shine by intensely smoothing hair fibers to beautifully reflect light. Scented with bergamot and peony. For best results, use EverPure Glossing Shampoo and Conditioner System 2-3x per week. After rinsing shampoo and conditioner, apply the Shine Hair Mask on damp hair from links to tips. Leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse. Our purest respect for your hair. EverPure hair care products have been formulated without sulfates, sodium lauryl sulfates, parabens, added phthalates, gluten ingredients, DMDM-hydantoin, and dyes. Always vegan, color-caring, and powered by science. L'Oréal Paris Innovation. We are a total beauty care company that combines the latest in technology with the highest in quality for the ultimate in hair color, hair care, hairstyle, skincare, and cosmetics.